Let's dive in and learn how to effortlessly integrate Vapi AI to supercharge your website into a dynamic, interactive hub that's always ready to engage. First, you'll need to create an account or log into your Vapi AI dashboard if you're new. The sign-up process is simple and straightforward. Familiarize yourself with the interface after logging in. Next, initiate a new project. You will need to input some basic details, like your website's name and a project description to help Vapi AI tailor its AI to your needs. Now comes the fun part: customizing your chatbot. You can personalize its name, avatar, and overall appearance to seamlessly blend with your website's design. Make your chatbot truly yours. After customizing your chatbot, the magic happens. Locate the embed code provided by Vapi AI specifically for your project, usually found under Installation or Embed Code tab. Copy the embed code and paste it into the HTML of your website. This is typically done just before the closing body tag. This crucial step links your website to your AI chatbot. And that's it. Your website now has a fully functional, AI-powered chatbot. Test it out to see how your conversational interface is available to users, ready to answer questions, provide support, and guide visitors on your website. Now you are on your way to an interactive website. Head on over to Vapi AI today and experience website interactions in a whole new way. #VAPIAI #website CHATBOT